Good morning, everyone. So today I am in a new city. I am in the beautiful city of Valencia in Spain. So I am so happy to be here. I love Spain and I haven't been here in such a long time. And I have a couple of days to visit Valencia. And today what I want to do is just go around as usual, to walk around, to see the city, see the sights, and yeah, just explore the place. So join me and let's have a walk around Valencia. Check out this place. I'm just walking around the city and randomly when you walk in Valencia you stumble upon these amazing buildings. So check this out. I don't even know what this is, but I found it in some square in the city center and I think it might be open, so I might go inside just to have a look. But what is amazing to me is that you just walk around the city center, and you find these amazing old buildings. It's part of history and they're not even like very big tourist attractions. They're just, you know, buildings you find around the city, which is just amazing to me.
En la sangre de Jesús.
So this is the bull ring of Valencia. It's really a large, impressive building, and it's right here next to the Estacio del Nord, which is Northern Station, which for some reason is in the south part of the city. I don't really understand, but there you go. The bull ring is really cool. Looks really nice from the outside, but it is closed now. Not only is it a Sunday, but it is also a particular year that is not well suited for opening of large events and these kind of facilities and buildings. But there you go. It's a nice little building to walk next to and admire, at least from the outside. So Valencia is actually the third largest city in Spain, right after Madrid and Barcelona. So quite a large city. And what's interesting here is that they speak two languages. So they speak the Spanish language and they speak Catalan, which they refer to as Valencian language. So they kind of appropriate that language. So far it's a really cool city. The architecture is amazing, and people are just kind of really chill because it's the weekend, I guess. So everybody's just walking around, chilling, enjoying life. I heard the food here is amazing, so I gotta try that for lunch today. And yeah, that's about it for now. Let's have a walk around the city.
Yo vi hotel, no sé qué, Valencia.
So that is the Valencia Cathedral, and that is the tower, the bell tower, built in the 13th century, I read at some point. So really impressive, really nice decoration. I really love the architecture here, the old architecture especially, because it's really impressive, really detailed decoration and so on. So let's see if it's still open. I might have a look inside. Let's go check out the beach in Valencia. Gigantic white sand beach, loads and loads of people, sunny weather all year long, all year round. It is amazing. All right, so that is all for my Valencia video. I spent way too much time at the beach today. In my defense, it's a really nice beach. It's probably one of the best beaches I've ever been to. So yeah, really nice. I do recommend if you come here to check it out. That's all for today. Unfortunately, I don't have too much time in the city. I would love to stay more here, maybe a week or even a month. I think I would really enjoy the city, but unfortunately I just have a couple of days. So that's all for today. Tomorrow I am going to rent a car and go on a road trip, so yeah, looking forward to that. Gonna see a few cities and make a few videos as well. So yeah, that's it. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.